today. Me and my boy Ox, the big Ox, not the little Ox, man. We working on shoulders, man. And we gonna hit every part of the shoulders, man. We're gonna hit those lateral delts, which is the side delts. We're gonna hit those interior delts, which is the front of the shoulders. And then we're gonna hit the rear delts, which is the back of the shoulders. We're gonna be doing different movements, but we're gonna be hitting every area to get a well-rounded, strong shoulder workout, man. Let's get it. So the first movement we're gonna work on is lateral delts, working the sides of the shoulders, man. Help build that definition on the side of the shoulders. Let's get it. You want to say something? Go ahead. My bad, man. You can cut all this. So, you notice, right? When I do mine, I try to do very, very slow eccentrics. Because you see, it increased that blood flow, increased time under tension. So, for the air out, you're going to get that extra pop. So, when you're on stage for bodybuilders, it's all about having that pop. So, from the front to the back, from the front to the back, to the side to the back, you got to have it all over. So, that's how I do it for me. And that's what you would want to do if you're trying to get that good just development all over. So, yeah. And even if you're doing strength, you're probably gonna go a little bit faster, you know what I'm saying? Or just do a little bit more slinging, which is okay, as long as you do it correctly. So, off season, yeah, you might see that. But when we in season, oh yeah, it's all about control. Control all the way through. So, yeah. Let me see.